Robotic vacuum and mop sets are perfect for keeping your floors clean because it shouldn't feel like a daily effort. In addition to collecting dust, these clever tiny devices can map your house, avoid obstructions, empty themselves, and even mop while you unwind. There is a robot here designed to help you with pet hair, hectic family life, or simply wanting immaculate floors without the work. The top robot vacuum and mop combinations that genuinely make life easier are listed below. To locate your ideal match, stay tuned until the very end. Don't forget to click the bell, like, and subscribe so you never miss our top selections. Number 7. Eaton. The Eaton BL20 Pro feels like a clever little companion wandering around your home if you're searching for a robot that can truly remove cleaning off your daily to-do list. It doubles as a vacuum and a mop, and because of its self-emptying base, you won't have to worry about it for weeks. The main feature is the strong 5000 PA suction, which means it doesn't just sweep gently but actually draws in dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Particularly in places with heavy traffic, you'll notice the difference. The LiDAR navigation is what gives it a genuinely smart feel. It learns the layout of your house, maps it out in great detail, and cleans in orderly, logical paths rather than haphazardly. You can select when it cleans, adjust the suction strength, and even designate no-go zones for places you wish it to stay away from using the app. Additionally, if you prefer voice control, it is compatible with Alexa, which is a wonderful plus. Positively, it saves a lot of time and is quite convenient, especially for pet owners. The extended hands-free time is a significant benefit. However, like the majority of sophisticated robots, it does require strong Wi-Fi and well-configured software, and the base station requires some room. Nevertheless, it seems like a really dependable and considerate little machine for daily cleaning and keeping a constantly clean environment. Number 6. Shaliki. The Shaliki D60S Max seems like one of those devices that subtly takes over your cleaning regimen and simplifies your life without requiring any maintenance. You can go weeks without touching a trash can thanks to its 3-in-1 robot that vacuums, mops, and empties itself. Although the base may take up some floor space, the large dust bag and self-emptying base are a huge plus for busy households. Long cleaning sessions are readily handled by its powerful battery, and when it runs low, the robot intelligently recharges and picks up where it left off. The 360-degree LiDAR navigation is what truly gives it a smart feel. It keeps track of several layouts, maps your house in great detail, and cleans along planned routes rather than at random. You can schedule cleanups, modify suction, and regulate water flow for mopping using the app or even voice commands. Pet hair, dust, and crumbs are quickly removed from carpets and hard floors by the remarkable suction force, albeit it can be a little noisy at the highest mode. Additionally, you can designate no-go zones, which is ideal for keeping it away from sensitive places like pet rooms, and you have multiple cleaning modes. Overall, it's a really capable, low-effort cleaning partner that keeps your home continuously neat with little assistance from you, even though it does require a reliable Wi-Fi connection and functions best in well-organized spaces. Number 5. Tycom. The Tycom L8000 Plus, which resembles a robot vacuum, is made for consumers who want their floors to remain clean without regular attention. Once set up, it essentially operates on autopilot because it vacuums, mops, and even empties itself. If you don't want to deal with regular maintenance, the self-emptying base is a tremendous relief because it can hold weeks' worth of dust and pet hair. One of its greatest advantages is its suction power, which is strong enough to remove dirt from carpets and automatically increases itself when it senses carpet. However, this additional force may make it a little louder. 360-degree LiDAR is used for navigation, and it does an excellent job of mapping your house and cleaning in tidy, effective lines rather than meandering around. It can memorize numerous floor plans, which is ideal for multi-story homes, and it avoids impediments like walls and stairs. You can control both suction and water flow with a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, which is useful for daily cleaning. However, you must use no-go zones or remove the mop to keep it off carpets while mopping. You may choose which rooms to clean, set virtual walls, and schedule cleanings using the app or Alexa. It has a good battery life and is capable of recharging and carrying on where it left off. Overall, it's a pretty capable, low-effort cleaning partner, even though it still requires some setup and app dependence. Number 4. iRobot. For anyone who wants their floors cleaned with no effort, the iRobot Roomba 104 combo seems like a significant improvement. It is a genuine 2-in-1 that can vacuum, mop, and even empty itself, making daily cleaning largely hands-free. Its strong suction, which effortlessly removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors, is one of its greatest advantages. surfaces. It performs a fantastic job reaching corners when combined with its multi-surface brushes and enhanced edge cleaning, albeit it may take a little longer to finish in extremely congested spaces. Instead of bouncing around aimlessly, its LiDAR navigation is clever and effective, swiftly mapping your house and cleaning in tidy, orderly patterns. It confidently avoids stairs and obstructions, and a great feature is that it automatically keeps carpets dry by lifting or avoiding them while cleaning, saving you from having to set up elaborate regulations. Although it's still intended for routine maintenance rather than severe stains, the integrated mop employs a regulated water flow to keep the pad uniformly moist, which aids in deeper scrubbing. Although the self-emptying dock is a great convenience because it collects allergies and fine dust, you will periodically need to refill your bags. Rooms, schedules, suction levels, and cleaning modes may all be customized via the app, buttons, or voice control. Overall, it's a really capable, low-maintenance cleaning partner that keeps floors constantly fresh, even if it depends on Wi-Fi and functions best in a well-mapped home. Number 3. Shark. The Shark Power Detect thermocharged robot vacuum and mop seems more like a fully automated home cleaning station than a straightforward robot. The NeverTouch Pro base, which not only empties the trash can but also replenishes a water tank, washes the mop with hot water and dries it with warm air for each run, is what truly makes it unique. This is a major benefit for daily hygiene since it keeps your mop fresh and clean without you having to do anything. Although the base station is fairly huge and requires a specific location, it can perform both cleaning and mopping nearly fully on its own for weeks. It's quite clever when it comes to cleaning. It can use its edge cleaning system to force trash out of corners, detect dirtier areas and concentrate additional power there, and modify suction based on whether the floor is hard or carpet. It is excellent for edges because it expands the pad to reach closer to walls when mopping. Additionally, it includes a unique system that raises the mop to keep carpets dry and lifts itself over minor obstructions, so you won't have to worry about damp rugs. Number 2. iLife. The iLife A30 Pro seems like a straightforward, useful robot designed to handle routine floor cleaning with minimal human involvement. You won't have to worry about dust or grime for a long time because it vacuums, sweeps, and mops before emptying itself into its own station. It doesn't waste time roaming about or missing places because its LiDAR navigation does a good job of mapping your house and creating intelligent, effective routes. The maps also allow you to create virtual walls and no-go zones via the app, which is fantastic, but it depends on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, which may be a little restrictive for certain configurations. Pet hair, crumbs, and regular dust on both carpets and hard floors are readily removed by the roller brush and strong suction. Depending on how thorough or noisy you want it to be, you can select different suction settings. Although the water tank is more suited for mild, routine mopping than deep stain removal, the 3-in-1 design is advantageous because it can vacuum and mop simultaneously, utilizing a combined tank, saving time. Although the self-emptying station greatly reduces maintenance and is very convenient, it does require additional room and disposable bags. As long as you're comfortable with app management and a system that prioritizes consistency over intense scrubbing, it's a clever, effective cleaning assistant that's excellent for daily maintenance. Number 1. Zybro Life. The Zybro Life BR151 seems like a straightforward, laid-back robot designed for routine cleaning rather than intricate settings. Because it is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, it can simultaneously remove dust and pet hair and lightly wash your hard floors. It requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to function with the app, but you can control it with a remote, an app, or even voice commands, which is great if you want options. In terms of cleaning power, it is intended more for routine upkeep than for thorough cleaning. The brushless intake is a huge benefit because hair doesn't get tangled like it does with roller brushes, and the suction is sufficient for dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It's more of a light mop than a thorough scrub, but the smart water tank uniformly distributes water for tiles, wood, and laminate. Although it can still bump into a few objects in really cluttered areas, its slender form makes it easy to go under couches and beds, and the obstacle sensors do a good job of avoiding walls and staircases. The battery is capable of handling medium-sized areas before returning to recharge on its own, and you have multiple cleaning modes, including zigzag for improved coverage. All things considered, it's low maintenance and easy to use, which is obviously designed for routine, basic cleaning rather than taking the place of a strong, deep clean vacuum. And there you have it, the greatest robot vacuum and mop sets that will fundamentally alter your perspective on cleaning. This list has the ideal choice for you, whether you desire complete hands-free automation, strong pet hair suction, or just a basic assistant to keep your floors looking new every day. The time and stress you'll save are the true winners. If you found this video helpful, please hit the bell icon, like, and subscribe to the Legit Pick channel to ensure that you never miss our most recent reviews and top picks. This is where your cleaner, smarter home begins.